Welcome to your bedtime meditation, where we're about to take a magical journey through the night sky. It's time to get cozy, snuggle up in your bed, and close your eyes. Tonight, we're going on a peaceful balloon ride that will help you feel calm and ready to drift into a peaceful dream. Let's start by taking in a big, deep breath. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax as you take another deep breath in and breathe out. Now imagine you're standing outside on a calm, peaceful night. The stars are twinkling above and the moon is shining brightly. Right in front of you is a big, colorful, hot air balloon, just waiting for you to climb aboard. The basket looks cozy, and you can feel a gentle breeze in the air. You step inside and cuddle up with your pillow and your blanket, feeling excited, safe, and so comfortable. The balloon slowly starts to rise up, up, up into the sky. As you float higher, everything below you gets smaller and smaller. The houses and the trees look like tiny toys, and you can see the world stretching out all around you. The night is quiet and calm, and you feel so peaceful as the balloon rocks you as it drifts through the sky. Now imagine looking down and seeing the beautiful landscape below. You're floating over soft, rolling hills covered in green grass. There are twinkling lights in the distance, like little fireflies lighting the way. Everything feels peaceful and still. As the balloon carries you higher, you feel the gentle breeze on your face, and it makes you feel so relaxed. The world is quiet, and all your worries are left far behind, down on the ground. Up here in the sky, everything feels light and free. You feel like you're floating on a cloud, safe and warm, cuddled up inside your balloon. As you drift along, you see a calm, sleepy forest below. The trees are swaying gently in the breeze, and the moonlight shines down, making everything glow. Now you notice something even more magical. You see a shimmering lake below. The surface of the water is like glass, perfectly still, reflecting the stars from above. Your balloon floats over the lake, and you feel even more calm and relaxed. As you continue your dreamy ride through the sky, you can feel your body getting heavier and heavier, like it's ready to rest. Your legs are relaxed, your arms are soft, and your whole body feels so peaceful. It's almost like this balloon is carrying you straight into your dreams. Let's take one more deep breath together. Breathing in and breathing out. Let the calm and peaceful feeling from your dream of balloon ride stay with you as you close your eyes and gently fall asleep. Sweet dreams and good night.